Hey, Chef Bridget here with Fresh from Florida. I have a really special recipe for you. I went to the grocery store yesterday and bought tons of Florida produce. Our farmers are still working so hard for the state of Florida and Floridians and really all the world that we need to buy as much Florida produce as we can, and that's just what I did. Here's some Florida spinach, and I have some carrots, some beautiful mushrooms, this squash and zucchini, and I went to followfreshfromflorida.com and I found the perfect recipe to make, and it's so comforting. Chicken and rice with vegetables. Now, if your family is vegetarian or vegan, feel free to use all vegetables and no protein. But today I'm going to use some chicken. I think me and my sister and brother will really enjoy that, and of course lots of vegetables. So when I get through the product, I will be sure to show you guys. Happy cooking. And the finished dish, Florida chicken and rice with Florida vegetables. And when I tell you it's comforting, I can't express that enough. It's so good right now to be able to know that we have resources available to us in the stores, that our farmers are still providing all those good fruits and vegetables that we crave and we need, and it can still be a normal part of our day. And it is for me and my family. I'm going to go ahead and dive into this, and I hope you guys too. Follow freshfromflorida.com. Have a good day.